Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Kappa Lab Research Center. Today we've got Kappa's oil carter protector, this aluminium piece, which what it does is it protects and it improves the safety of your engine. Now, we've actually been testing this for about a month now. And we've been putting it through some rocks, through a lot of dirt, even snow. It's had some crashes as well, and it's held up really well. Today we're actually going to smash it a little bit, and we're going to show you the comparison with the OEM. Okay? All right, let's go. So here with me, I've got the OEM carter protector, and on my first day of riding, I actually went over a bump, and straight away you can see that it got bent because it's actually really thin aluminium. So day one, it was already pretty terrible. So we upgraded to the Kappa oil carter protector, and as you can see, if you check closer, it's a way thicker. If you compare it side by side, you can see this is much thicker and it's way more resistant. So for us, it's absolutely test approved and it's a must have if you're going off-roading.